let's do a quick walk through Hertz. We're here late Monday afternoon, early Monday evening. And we got a Dodge Durango Hemi. And these are premium upgrades. These are probably being held for somebody, but there's two Tesla Model 3s here. Both black. Premium upgrades. I'm not sure if this is a premium upgrade, but it's just they got a Chrysler 300S parked here. If it's a newer one, if it's a different trim level, I don't recall seeing the red on the badge. 21,000 miles. Again, there's kind of a bit of a shortage of cars, but they do actually, it's actually not looking that bad for President Circle. We got a BMW, is that 3 Series maybe? Somebody's in it. Nissan Rogue Sport, also known as the Qashqai in other countries. Another Nissan. This one got a 5-liter Mustang. And President Circle's always a treat if you can get one of those. It's a newer Nissan SUV. I forget the name of that one. If you get a chance to maybe come back to that. Is that a Malibu? The wheels are throwing me off on this one. Oh, Chevy Cruze, of course. Yeah, I don't know what that's doing parked in President Circle. Got an Infiniti all-wheel drive Q50. These are probably getting up in mileage. Yeah, 35,000 miles on this one here. And we got a Honda Accord in President Circle here. Almost looks like a Civic. Is this a Civic? Yeah, sure enough it is. And it's another dealer car. Normally they don't put the smaller cars in President Circle, but nowadays I guess anything goes. Okay, we got this is a new one for the channel. Toyota Venza. Limited hybrid. Here's somebody driving away in that 5-liter Mustang. This is new. This is new. Let's take a look. 3,000 miles on this. Maybe take a look on the back here. Yeah, okay. So anybody looking for a hybrid, this might be a nice option. No sunroof in it, but the first time I've seen one of these up for rent. And just kind of quickly, I'm curious about this. I'm going to run back here real quick. It's not a Pathfinder. Is this a new Murano, maybe? Is that what this is? I don't think it's a Rogue. Is it? Oh, it is a Rogue. Okay. The Rogue looks bigger than a... I think we did a comparison in an earlier video, so I can just quickly check the mileage on this here. Yeah, 23,000 miles. So this one's been around a little bit. Cut out here, and I'm just going to quickly, there's a Grand Cherokee at the end here. Okay, and I just want to finish off the premium upgrades here with this Grand Cherokee. This is the L. I think it's the L. I don't know, it looks longer. Okay, limited. Okay, it is the L. Alright, now I know how to tell. And if it's not locked, it's not locked. Perfect, I can show you the extra row of seats here. Yep. And there we go, the extra row. Take a quick look at the front again. Limited. Oh, it doesn't have a sunroof. It's limited, but no sunroof. Oh, wow, this one would be a treat. 30 miles on it. Brand new for somebody. Great to see some new cars and SUVs finally coming back in. And again, that's Grand Cherokee L. It's under premium upgrades over at Hertz. And I think that's going to wrap it up for Hertz. Again, don't forget to hit that like button if you want to see more of these videos, and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Okay, we're back at Hertz Miami Airport on a weekday. As the Ultimate Series parked out front of the Gold booth here. Got a BMW convertible. Mercedes, got a Jaguar sedan. There's the gold booth. And we got a Porsche SUV and one of the Hendrix Camaros, and we got a Mercedes AMG. And we'll just wander over here, over to the premium upgrade section. So it's kind of parked in backwards. I'm not sure if it's up for rent. The Lexus NX 300. We've got a Tesla Model 3. Two more Tesla Model 3s. These are all upgrades. The one time I asked about the Teslas for upgrade, actually they were all booked. So if you're looking for a Tesla, you're probably best to book it ahead. Got another Porsche SUV here. See what they got on President Circle. Got a couple empty spots here. Excuse me. And we've got a Honda SUV. And got a BMW. Let's see what this is here. Is this an X2 maybe? Yeah, we got BMW X2. Nissan Murano Platinum. I don't know if I've ever seen the Platinum trim. Platinum all-wheel drive. I don't know if it's pretty rare to see a Platinum trim. It's the highest trim level. But this is the older model. How many miles we got on here? Actually, not too bad. 16,000 miles. And somebody's leaving with one of those larger Infinities. There's another Murano. See what the trim is on this one. No sunroof, so I'm guessing this might be an SV. Yeah. SV Murano. We got a Maxima SV. We got another Murano over here. And some of you guys have been pretty good at pointing out this one's got a dealer sticker on it. There's the Maxima Murano. And if I'm not mistaken, this looks like a Nissan Rogue. Yep. Nissan Rogue SV. And the cars in behind here are just part of reserve. Looks like we got a Hyundai Sonata. One of the older ones. And a Toyota Tacoma pickup. And if we get back into the premium upgrades, we've got a BMW. Actually, two of the BMWs. We've got a Mercedes. One of those Infiniti Q50s. We've got a Range Rover. Maybe a Nissan Pathfinder, if I had to guess. And we got another Porsche SUV. And a Genesis. This is actually all 5-star, so today 5-star is completely empty. Let's wander over here. This is where they got the 2 rows of gold. So it looks like, they got some cars in gold. We'll just do a quick walk through. There's a Sonata over there. Let me just switch back to this aisle here. We've got an Altima, Nissan Altima. Got a Nissan Rogue Sport, which is, somebody pointed out in the comments, is actually the Qashqai. In Canada and other countries, they call it the Qashqai, which I believe is the smaller version, even smaller than the Rogue. This one's got a dealer sticker on it. Okay, we got a Buick Encore, Nissan Kicks, Toyota Camry, and we've got VW Jetta, Chevy Malibu, Honda Civic. This makes it real easy because all the nameplates are on the back. We got a Toyota Corolla, a VW Passat. And on the other side here, we got somebody leaving in Rogue with a dealer sticker on. Yeah, lots of dealer stickers on. There's Outlander Sport. We got a dealer sticker. Got another Rogue, Hyundai Kona, Ford Escape SEL, Buick Encore, Chevy Spark, Toyota Corolla, a Nissan Altima, Chevy Trailblazer, and one of the newer Sonatas. Another Chevy Spark, Chevy Impala here. Impala's the V6, looks like the LT trim. GMC Acadia. Okay, and these, sorry, actually, starting with the Impala, these are actually in reserve now. But we'll keep going here. A Kia Sorento, Honda CR-V, another Rogue Sport. Again, this is all reserve here. We got a Jeep. I think that's a Jeep Compass. It says Latitude. I'm not sure. Not sure what that is. Anyway, we got a Pathfinder, Chevy Equinox, got another Nissan Rogue, Kia Sorento, got a Jeep. Yeah, that is a Jeep Compass. That must just be the trim level. This this one's got, it's got to be a dealer. Yeah, dealer sticker on it. Tito Road, is that? Does it sound like New Jersey or somewhere like that? Okay. We got an XT5 Cadillac, Nissan Rogue, Nissan Murano SV, and we got somebody leaving here with a Rogue. And we're in reserve here. We're almost done. We got a Chevy Traverse, a Kia Soul, Honda Pilot, Nissan Kicks, and we got a Toyota Highlander and Dodge Durango. And that pretty much wraps it up for reserve on this side. Okay, we're back at the Ultimate Series, the other side. So we got a large Infiniti, we got a BMW SUV, we got another Lexus, BMW sedan, got a Range Rover, got a BMW, and a Porsche. Another BMW, we got a Cadillac SUV, another BMW at the end here. Just roll around. We got another BMW convertible there, Range Rover with the wiper up. Something wrong with it. We got another BMW here, an Infiniti SUV, two of them here. Another BMW down here, and BMW, and we got a Nissan V8 SUV. I guess that's an Armada. Sorry, this whole row here is all reserve. The other was Ultimate Series. Let's just kind of take a quick walk through the reserve here. Got a Tahoe. We got two minivans on the other side. Actually, the other side is pretty much all minivans looking down. We've got an Expedition. We got a Suburban. Another Suburban LT. Another Suburban. Somewhere this must be the GMC Denali I saw from the other side, yeah. Yukon Denali. Another Expedition. Suburban. And we got a Yukon. And the other side is just all that, sorry, minivans over here, a bunch of Pacificas. A couple of older Dodge Caravans. And if I just wander over here, this is where they have any of the sports cars, they usually park them in their reserves over here. So we got some minivans, Nissan Armada, got some of the larger SUVs. We got a Jeep Wrangler, a couple more large SUVs here, and then this is where they park all the convertibles and the sports cars usually, under reserve. So we got a couple Mustang EcoBoost convertibles here. Oh, actually, sorry, this one's a 5-liter. And yeah, this one's an EcoBoost convertible. We've got a Cadillac XT5, a couple more minivans, another Armada, and then we got a couple more Mustangs down here. Just the regular Mustang convertible. We've got a GT 5-liter Mustang coupe, 2 of them. And, oh, actually, we got a Maserati, a Ford SUV, Genesis, Infiniti, Range Rover, and this is why I'm walking down here. Let's just take a quick look. Grand Cherokee, I think I see the L on there. No. Oh, this must be the, or is it? Is this the L or is this the short one? It's a limited. Let's see if it's got the extra row in the back. It's not locked. This might actually be the, oh, it is locked. Oh, can I see that? I think this is the short one. I don't think it has the row in the back. And we'll just quickly wrap up the other side here, and then I think we're done with Hertz for this segment. Okay, we've got a Ford Mustang Coupe, EcoBoost, Mustang convertible. This is one of my favorites, the Camaro SS hardtop. You know, it's missing the SS badge on it. It's interesting. It's definitely SS. It's got the sunroof. Yeah, it's got the SS on the front. Just curious the mileage. A lot of these are pretty high miles. 30, 40, 50, 60,000. 36,000 on this one. And we got a V6 Mustang, or sorry, Camaro convertible. An Armada, Toyota TRD pickup, Dodge Charger RT. Some of the new Dodges are starting to show up. Let's take a look quickly, do mileage check here. No, this one's not new, 37,000. Okay, got another Suburban, and I think we'll wrap things up here. We got an Expedition, and there's that Wrangler again.